Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Palm and welcome to today's video. Today is going to be a hair video. I'm really excited because this is something I've been wanting to try out for a long time. And let me just give you a little bit of background of why I decided to do this. So for the past 2 months, I've been really having the cravings to cut my hair. I've been thinking about chopping off my locks, and it has just been this very, I don't know, it was just this strong urge to cut them. And I was just like, I have cut my locks twice, I think twice or thrice right now, and I know the feeling that comes with after cutting the locks or after undoing the locks. It's just like, I wish I could have kept them longer. Yeah, so I was just like, I don't want to do it. Maybe I should try something different. In June, I had braided, I had twists. I think if I have a picture, I will insert. I think that was the beginning of these two feelings I was having. And then now, after I removed the twists, I was like, now what do I do with my hair? So I was just like, any little stress, I'm going to cut my hair. Any little inconvenience, I want to cut my hair. So I decided to get a wig. And I've been wanting to get a wig for so long because now, this is the first time I'm going to try a wig. I was so excited about the idea, and I was just looking for a nice plug for wigs. And I was watching, when I go through TikTok, I see those videos where they bought wigs nazili burnt. The wigs were no, expectations versus reality. And I was just like, no, I am very hesitant to do this. And then I saw a high school friend selling them, and I was like, oh, at least this is someone I trust, and if it goes bad, I can always get back to them and be like, hey, I'm kunifanya fiti. So I decided to buy a band wig from them. So I just inquired about the bulkiness, because my locks are medium length. So I just inquired about the bulkiness, and once she told me that it would be bulky enough, after I showed her the length of my locks, I bought it. And yeah, so this is the wig. It doesn't have a specific brand or something. I'm not sure if she makes them, but yeah, she has very nice ones. This is a band wig, so I will leave her page down below so that you can contact her if you are interested. So I just thought of doing this video because when I wore it to work, is it to wear it or put it on? I went with it to work. When I went with the wig to work, everyone was just like, how did you do it? You had locks. What happened? Blah, blah, blah. So I was like, maybe this is also a new concept to a lot of people. Let me just do a video showing people how I did it, because they were like, your locks are so long. How would you even put on a wig? So yeah, that's why I wanted to do this video today. Yeah, so yeah, this is the wig. And this is how it looks like. It's really bulky. I don't know if you can tell, but it's really, oops, I'm trying to, yeah. So this is how it looks. Very nice. And I really wanted this kind of straight natural hair vibes. And I think she understood the assignment. So it's a band wig. It comes with this thing that has a Velcro down here to tie the hair. And then also has this for securing at the back. I honestly, I'm just not, I honestly don't know a lot about hair, but yeah, you get it. There's also this where you can, if you have natural hair, or if I had a little bit of growth, I would hook it so that it doesn't fly away. This day I was going to work and I was late and I had to take a bike. I was just holding on to my wig yeah, so this is the wig generally, and I think it looks pretty good. So let me show you how I wear it. And I think, I don't know, I feel like I should have done a time-lapse video, but no, seemingly I'll just have to do it explaining. Yeah, So what I do first of all is it comes with these two cups like this. So of course, if you have like cornrows, you can just put your wig like that. But for me now, my hair is very unruly, so I have to like tame them a bit. Yeah. So let me just put it on real quick. Yeah, so I just try and like stuff them in there. And before I do this, most of the time I usually spray my hair to just make sure that it has like a bit of moisture. Yeah, so and then I leave a bit of space here for my baby hair. I don't have lots of growth, but yeah, so I usually use this toothbrush to just get a bit of baby hairs that maybe I don't have. Yeah, to try and just lay them down. So that's how it looks basically. Yeah, yeah. Then the next step I do is lay my edges. I use the Nice and Lovely gel. I think by now everyone knows that this is the I don't want to say the word. Yeah, so I just lay my edges real quick and then tie them down to like lay flat. So I guess I know you don't have to watch every step, so I'll just forward this part, make it like a time lapse. Okay, I was just looking through like Instagram. Totally, I don't know, this is me plugging you. Totally Thrift. I'm not sure if you can see, but they usually have very nice jackets, coats. Yeah, so I was just looking. Yeah, so this is me right now. I think my hair is well, like my edges. It's been like a while. It's been like 5 minutes, but I can't wait any longer. Yeah, so I'm not sure if you can see. No. Yeah, but I don't like a lot of like madoido when laying edges. I just like making sure that they are sitting in place. Yeah, and then now I know everyone knows how to put on a wig, especially someone who is more girlish than me. You know how to basically put it on, and this you know how to tie, because it's basically like bra straps. Who doesn't know how to tie bra straps? Even guys do. So this is the back. Okay, no, you're not saying this is the back, ukundiombele. So I'm just going to hold the back part hapa nyuma. This is the front, and then I'll put on the back going hivi. I'm not sure if I'm making sense, but most of the times I usually start with the strap. I don't know why, but I feel like it's just convenient for me. Yeah, so I don't know even how, like, sijui ni push this away a bit so that you can see. Okay, let's do this. yeah, I just basically try to fix my hair into this cup, and then where should I place you guys? Yeah, like that, and then I tie this one, the back. I know you know how to do it. Okay, I don't know why I'm showing you. I just think it's very weird for me because I have like locks. But yeah, just tie it at the back. Oops. Like that, and I'm done. And then I'm good to go. So then I push this back kidogo. You see that that kanini that was inside here, yeah, that you're supposed to hook to your hair. Is it a hook though? Yeah, that thing that you're supposed to hook to your hair. Sometimes I usually hook it to the cup that I've put on inside, but basically this is how it looks. And then I don't like having it like I don't like having it how do I say? I don't like having it like this, so I usually like get it from there so that it looks kinda nice. I'm not going to lie to you. Honestly, having locks for a long time, I don't even own a comb, so I'm going to look for one. Yeah, so I'll look for like a comb with I think like a big comb, you know, for combing the wig. And then when I bought it, I was also advised to get this serum or something that you can apply to the wig to maintain it and make sure that it's kind of moisturized every time. Yeah, like it's been such a long time before since I dealt with hair, like hair apart from locks, that I don't even realize I don't know a lot of things. I realize I don't know a lot of things. I don't know what I'm saying right now. Yeah, so this is the serum. You can get it from her. The wig was 3K. I will still put her nini here. The wig was 3K, and then this was 600, I guess. Yeah. So basically that's it, and that is how I usually rock this wig for the past 1 week. Yeah, so I'll just get a comb and make sure that it is always neat. Yeah, so that's how I look most of the times. Ooh, hope it is. Msonge uko. Songa mbali na mimi, guys. How many wezi? Yeah, so basically that's how it looks. Yeah, so let me just take a picture for the thumbnail, and then we're good. Oh, you want to see how it looks at the back? Yeah. So I feel like it is thick enough so you can't like necessarily tell I have locks. Did the lights just go? Like stima zimepotea tu. Sawa. So yeah, basically yeah, so that's it. So yeah, that's how I put on my band wig, and thank you so much for watching. Kindly comment down below what you think about it, and yeah, I think see you in my next video. Bye. Bye.